God's plan for your life. Holding on to hope in tough times. Shalom, everyone. Welcome to Jesus People. Have you ever felt lost, wondering if God has forgotten about you? Maybe life hasn't turned out the way you expected, and you're struggling to see His plan. But here's the truth. God's plan is still at work, even in the hardest moments of your life. Stay with me, because today, we're going to uncover how to hold on to hope when things seem hopeless. Section 1. God's plan is greater than our understanding. In Jeremiah 29 verse 11, God says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Notice something? God says He knows the plans, not us. That means even when things don't make sense, we can trust that He is leading us towards something greater. Think about Joseph in the Bible. His life seemed unfair, sold by his own brothers, falsely accused, and thrown into prison. But even in that darkness, God was working. In the end, Joseph became a ruler in Egypt, saving many lives, including his own family. What if he had given up? God's plan was always in motion, even when Joseph couldn't see it. Section 2. Trusting God during the waiting season. One of the hardest things to do is wait on God. We want answers now, solutions today, and blessings immediately. But Isaiah 40 verse 31 reminds us, "Those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles." Waiting is not a punishment, it's preparation. When you feel stuck, remember, delay is not denial. God is never late, He is always on time. Your struggle is not the end of the story. Just because you don't see the breakthrough yet doesn't mean it's not coming. Faith grows in the waiting. Trusting God in uncertainty builds the strength you'll need for the blessings ahead. Section 3. How to hold on to hope. So, how do we keep faith when everything seems to be falling apart? 1. Stay in God's Word. Read His promises daily. Let them remind you that He is in control. 2. Pray without ceasing. Talk to God. Even when you don't have the words, He understands your heart. 3. Surround yourself with faith-filled people. Avoid negativity. Stay close to those who encourage and uplift you. 4. Remember past victories. Look back at how God has already worked in your life. If He did it before, He will do it again. No matter what you're facing, know this: God has not abandoned you. His plan is unfolding in ways you may not see yet. Keep trusting, keep believing, and keep moving forward in faith. If this message encouraged you, share it with someone who needs hope today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more faith-filled inspiration. God bless you. And